How to get $100 A&W promo code. Let's get started. Launch your preferred browser. At the very top, you're gonna see the search box. Over there, type in A&W promo code and then search for it. With that, different website links will appear. Using any of these websites, you can easily get a working promo code for A&W. So go ahead and open any of these. For instance, I'm gonna open this one, Worth Penny. Once you're on the website, you're gonna find tons of offers and deals for A&W. Just scroll down and check out the offers: 50% off, 25% off, $30 off, and many more. Head towards any of the offer that you wanna grab. Just go ahead and click on it. With that, you're gonna get the code for it. Once you get the code, you can copy it, then you can head towards the website of A&W, log into your account, make your order, and proceed to checkout. In the checkout page, you're gonna find the section of codes. Over there, type in the code and confirm your order. With that, you're gonna get the discount. Likewise, you can also give a try to other offers, as in this website, you're gonna find tons of offers and deals for A&W. To grab any of the offer, you have to use same exact steps. Lastly, you can head back. Once you're in this website section, you can also give a try to other website, as other website will also provide you working coupon code for A&W. So this way you can easily get up to $100 working promo code for A&W. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.